How to fix unable to login problem in Facebook? So the solution is very easy and simple. Follow these simple steps. So first long press on Facebook and click on app info. Now click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache and tap on clear storage. Now click on delete button. Go back and tap on permission. Now allow all permission one by one. After completing this process, go back and go to Play Store. Now tap on search and type Facebook. After that, first update your Facebook app update available. After updating, this problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.